Welcome to Edvia Academy, where business knowledge meets practical professional development. Our 8-course professional learning map begins with advanced accounting and business administration, restaurant business planning, and company human resources policies and procedures. For a limited time, enroll in accounting and business administration, advanced certificate for just $14.99, then follow the instructions in the video description to receive complimentary access to the other 7 courses. Your complete Edvia learning journey starts now.
Hi, this is Edvia Academy Chartered Accountant and expert in SAGE team, Advanced Certificate Accounting Administration Business Service Activities. I want to get into accounting quickly. This is a great place to start. In this program, you'll gain the expertise needed to advance you into a senior level position, manage an accounting department, or pursue an advanced degree in accounting. This certificate is designed to prepare students for an entry-level job. You'll learn to keep day-to-day records of business transactions, make account ledger entries, monitor cash receipts and disbursements, and prepare information for financial reports. About program. A professional program which increases knowledge and understanding and evaluation and analysis ability for business, managerial and administrative situations with a focus and specialization in accounting, administration and management. This Advanced Certificate Accounting Administration Business Service Activities program with specialization on accounting administration is designed by professionals to develop the high-level skills and competencies vital in men, women seeking successful careers in accounting, cost accounting, credit management, finance, administration and related areas for all business, commercial, industrial, government and professional fields. Such training is essential in today's competitive business environment and a world of increasing international trade and globalization. Practical accounting careers are often available to students with degrees from 2-year colleges and little or no credentialing. Candidates should expect wages to plateau around $40,000. Individuals in this field will develop skills valuable to their employer, however, advancement is usually limited without a higher degree. Practical accounting functions include business theory, commercial practice, financial statement preparation, receivables, payables, collections, bookkeeping, payroll accounting, budgeting, financial accounting, special projects, commercial practice, management administration in business, advanced management administration, business bookkeeping accounts, business finance accounting, cost accounting, credit management. Completing an advanced accounting course is a great way to let employers know you have proven accounting skills. The advanced certificate in accounting includes learning across basic, advanced management, and taxation accounting, plus you will enhance your task management abilities and undertake an accounting skill assessment. The advanced certificate is part of a laddered program. Credits earned may be applied toward the completion of the accounting, associate in business studies degree. Our program will provide you with a foundational knowledge of core accounting concepts, as well as hands-on experience with current Odoo accounting software packages. The Advanced Certificate in Accounting is an 18-credit graduate program designed to introduce you to the necessary expertise in managerial and financial accounting and reporting, tax compliance and planning, risk assurance and controls testing, and assurance and Odoo information systems. The Advanced Accounting Certificate builds on previous knowledge of accounting theory and application and provides a bridge for students pursuing business degree completion or Chartered Professional Accountants (CPA) designation. Enroll now to master accountant skills and pursue a career in accounting, finance, or business. The Business Administration Advanced Accounting Postbachelor's Certificate is designed for individuals with previous work experience who wish to increase their business knowledge or who are seeking a career change. It includes a core group of courses providing a general business background and a variety of options to suit your interests and needs. The certificate provides a theoretical and practical insight into the field of accounting so you can gain a current and employer-valued background. Career possibilities. The Business Administration Advanced Accounting Postbachelor's Certificate is intended to supplement your present career or allow you to change careers into or within the accounting profession. It also serves as a bridging program for degree holders who need to complete prerequisite courses for entry into the CPA accounting designation program. Enroll now to master accountant skills and pursue a career in accounting, finance, or business. Hi, this is Edvia Academy Chartered Accountant and expert in Sage team. Mastering launching a successful restaurant business plan. Restaurant management covers the practical components for successfully overseeing a restaurant or realizing a restaurant concept. The course covers essential concepts and systems such as food cost management, profit and loss management, inventory management, and other topics. After completing this course, you will have gained knowledge on how to manage a profitable restaurant. As one of today's most in-demand jobs, the salary for a restaurant manager is over $50,000 on average. To become a successful restaurant manager, you must acquire the practical skills and theoretical knowledge necessary to execute all elements of a restaurant business. To take this leap into a new career, it is imperative that you have skills in workplace management, recruiting, marketing, and distribution. The basic hotel and restaurant accounting course provides a basis for understanding hospitality accounting concepts and procedures. Students learn about the processing of hospitality financial data and the flow of financial information in the accounting cycle that result in the production of financial statements. In this course, students recognize that accounting operations in today's hotels and restaurants require specialized knowledge and skills. By examining the most up-to-date industry information, students gain insight into merchant accounts, forecasting and budgeting, and the effect of the SEC and Sarbanes-Oxley Act on financial reporting. They also learn about setting up an internet store and meeting today's methods of doing business. Whatever entrance they take, they have the flexibility and visibility of customer tracking, and the decision-making processes, and the gross-minded technicians setting up the flat. Restaurant management provides this foundation by teaching each aspect of the process, from inception through creation to ultimately managing a successful restaurant. This course will impart the theory behind food and beverage production and management, human resource management, and basic accounting practices for the restaurant industry. You will also learn how to market a restaurant to key customer groups and how to sustain a profitable restaurant while adhering to all legal requirements. What you will learn: what is business accounting, why financial statements are necessary, why study accounting, the corporate accounting department, the accounting profession, the certified public accountant, influence of government and professional organizations, generally accepted accounting principles, business transactions, accounting income versus taxable income, the accounting equation, financial statements, legal business structure, taxation of business income, basic financial statements, statement of income, equity statements, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, preparation of the balance sheet, asset classification, current asset accounts, non-current asset accounts, liability classification, current liability accounts, long-term liability accounts, bonds, equity classification, proprietorship equity accounts, partnership equity accounts, corporation equity accounts, limited liability company equity accounts, preparation of the income statement, revenue classification, sales accounting, expense classification, cost of sales expense, inventory systems, other business expenses, depreciation, origins of bookkeeping, 21st century bookkeeping, bookkeeping accounts, learning debits and credits, analyzing business transactions, analyzing 21 universal transactions, the nature of debits and credits, recording 21 universal transactions, contra accounts, normal account balance. Advantages of computerized systems: input forms, output forms, online accounting system, features of accounting packages, standard general ledger modules, selecting general ledger accounting software. ATSS. Accounting cycle, Tower Restaurant, a computerized demonstration, computerized defense, computerized general ledger, referred to as posting, from the monthly business transaction, computerized posting of the special journals, end-of-month accounting, computation of net income or loss, computerized financial statements, computerized general ledger, reversing entries, computerized year-end processing, restaurant income statement, significance of restaurant accounting, food sales accounting, beverage sales accounting, cost of sales, operating expenses, restaurant balance sheet, chart of accounts for restaurants, food and beverage ratio analysis, food sales statistics and analysis, beverage sales statistics. Definition and objectives of internal control of cash receipts, internal control of cash disbursements, bank reconciliation, financial statement package, the money illusion, overview of analytical methods, the income statement, statement of cash flows, evaluating credit card acceptance, processing credit card transactions, the merchant account, point of sale systems, real-time credit card processing, credit card fraud, merchant account fees and charges. What is a budget? Sales forecasting, the relationship of expenses to volume, variable expenses, fixed expenses, semi-variable expenses, break-even point. How you will benefit. Restaurant management will give you a wide spectrum of basic training to work in or manage restaurants, bars, fast food outlets, cafe, or any other food and beverage establishment. Every restaurant management will spend at least a day with you learning about your surroundings, and it may be trying and scary. Suitable for anyone wanting to learn restaurant management without committing to years of study. This course is perfect to complement those undertaking or wanting to undertake some form of work experience or paid work within the food and beverage service industry. Thank you for watching, and see you inside.
Your Edvia Academy journey now moves into the operational core of modern business. Coming next, learn AI-powered accounting and manufacturing control with Odoo 18, master warehouse operations and accounting, and develop advanced Odoo accounting and inventory management skills. These courses connect business systems, financial decisions, and practical operational workflows. Stay with us as the Edvia Academy professional learning journey continues.
Edvia Academy presents a comprehensive HR guide to company policy and procedures. A comprehensive guide to excellence company policies, fostering a productive and compliant workplace. Create sound HR policies and procedures from scratch, or update and modify existing ones. Dissect the HR policies and procedures manual to give it the weight it deserves as a tool in guiding HR decisions in an organization. What does HR Policies and Procedures course cover? This course covers more professional topics and discourse in relation to HR policies and procedures at the workplace. These include employment policies, strategic management, and performance management. Such areas are covered in these knowledge-based workshops. Thus, participants gain an understanding of the human resources. This course will dissect the HR Policies and Procedures Manual as an independent topic in human resource management in order to give it the weight it deserves as a tool in guiding human resource decisions in an organization. You will learn a number of important areas in an attempt to understand why managers and employees need policies. You will identify key HR management functions that require explicit policies. To begin with, this is a customized one that has been specially designed for professionals who seek in-depth knowledge of HR policies and procedures. The course is tailored to help learners explore the intricacies and complex nature of these policies, how they affect organizational performance and growth, and how they can best be manipulated to fit in different organizational setups. Additionally, the course has been designed to help learners identify and address the current trends in the HR field, which helps them develop strategic thinking and rational decision-making. Therefore, throughout the course, learners are equipped with different skill sets that are geared towards personal and professional growth, as we believe in helping learners achieve these too. Lastly, given the fact that the course utilizes practical application in learning, students are equipped with the tools and technical knowledge to handle real-world HR problems efficiently. This helps learners build their capacity in the field and become experts in their organizations. That blended mix of theoretical teachings and practical application enables the course to deliver the tools and knowledge graduates effectively need to manage the intricate HR environment. The participants are expected to have sufficient knowledge regarding the underlying theories and practical insights to manage the challenges and expectations during their job roles. This course will take you through the core parts of HR in depth. At the end of the course, the students can confidently apply various strategies and make sound decisions based on the knowledge acquired. Through interacting with the subject matter, participants become better experts and reduce the challenges of coping with the complex arena of human resources management. How does the course address current challenges in its field? The course includes periodic upgrades of its content to remain relevant in the face of modern-day changes in the HR field. The participants are given the principles and the techniques for proactively handling the rapidly changing work environment, like remote work policies, diversity and inclusion, and they are trained to manage and resolve the current issues professionally. This course follows the trends, which is why the learners can deal with the most relevant and up-to-date information in human resources. This will enable them to understand and adapt to the ever-changing management of people dynamics. Students are introduced to problems like working room home rules, diversity, and employee well-being. Thus they achieve a broad awareness of how these elements influence an organization's performance and its staff's engagement. What sets this course apart from basic training in the field? Through this course, the learners get a deeper, broader, and comprehensive understanding that goes beyond what is usually covered in basic training programs. Tailored to the needs of candidates who already have a strong grasp of HR fundamentals, the course addresses the needs of those who wish to further their skills and focus on certain areas of application within this field. Who should attend? This course aims to meet the needs of human resource, HR, managers, executives, and practitioners who want to enhance their knowledge of HR policies and practices. It aims to target those within organizations with HR leadership aspirations. Apart from the target audience, industry leaders who want to build their depth and track the current developments will always find the program relevant. Besides, the program focuses on developing leadership skills and capabilities for experienced professionals who are passionate about excelling in senior HR positions. It offers a tailored learning experience that suits the needs of professionals at different career stages, and thus helps them improve their knowledge and acquire the required skills to cope with the dynamics. The course that consists of theoretical knowledge and practical skills gives learners all the necessary tools for improving their personal and work well-being, thus allowing them to outperform the competition. Course methodology. Throughout the course you will tackle a multitude of questions that will create a continuum of progress from the tactical to the strategic side of policy development. You will also work on a series of case study applications to ensure the direct transfer of skills and information and relevant practical experience. All throughout, you will adopt practical approaches, tools and techniques to enable you to effectively and efficiently develop, improve, maintain, and update your HR manuals. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.
Mastering Odoo 18 AI for Accounting and Manufacturing Control. AI-powered accounting and manufacturing with Odoo 18. Accounting, business, and manufacturing control with Odoo 18 AI. Are you ready to revolutionize your accounting and manufacturing processes? In this video, we explore the cutting-edge features of Odoo 18 AI that can elevate your business to new heights. Discover how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to automate accounting tasks, improve accuracy, and gain valuable insights into your manufacturing operations. This step-by-step course is perfect for professionals looking to enhance their skills and drive efficiency in their organizations. Don't miss out on the opportunity to master Odoo 18 AI and take control of your business like never before. Want to get into accounting quickly? This is a great place to start. In this program, you'll gain the expertise needed to advance you into a senior-level position, manage an accounting department, or pursue an advanced degree in accounting. This certificate is designed to prepare students for an entry-level job. You'll learn to keep day-to-day records of business transactions, make account ledger entries, monitor cash receipts and disbursements, and prepare information for financial reports. About programming. A professional program which increases knowledge and understanding and evaluation and analysis ability for business, managerial, and administrative situations with a focus and specialization in accounting, administration, and management. This Advanced Certificate Accounting Administration Business and Service Activities program, with specialization on accounting administration, is designed by professionals to develop the high-level skills and competencies vital in men and women seeking successful careers in accounting, cost accounting, credit management, finance, administration, and related areas, for all business, commercial, industrial, government, and professional fields. Such training is essential in today's competitive business environment and a world of increasing international trade and globalization. Practical accounting careers are often available to students with degrees from two-year colleges and little or no credentialing. Candidates should expect wages to plateau around $40,000. Individuals in this field will develop skills valuable to their employer. However, advancement is usually limited without a higher degree. Practical accounting functions include business theory and commercial practice, financial statement preparation, receivables, payables, collections, bookkeeping, payroll accounting, budgeting, financial accounting, special projects, commercial practice, management and administration in business, finance management and administration, business bookkeeping and accounts, business finance and accounting, cost accounting, credit management. We will highlight the key features that make Odoo 18 an essential tool for manufacturers, including its user-friendly interface, customizable workflows, and robust reporting capabilities. Discover why Odoo 18 stands out as the optimal choice for manufacturing management and how it can lead to significant improvements in productivity and cost-effectiveness. Control of manufacturing processes with Odoo 18 AI-powered. Learn about manufacturing systems and ways to analyze them in terms of material flow and storage, information flow, capacities, and times and durations of events, especially random events. You will learn how to analyze manufacturing systems to optimize performance and control cost. You will develop an understanding of seemingly opaque production lines with a particular emphasis on random disruptive events, their effects, and how to deal with them, as well as inventory dynamics and management. Manufacturing systems are complex and require decision-making skills and analytical analysis. Managers and practitioners use a wide variety of methods to optimize the performance of manufacturing systems and control costs. The many processes and functions involved in building and maintaining these systems demand a high level of knowledge. Manufacturing course curriculum. A manufacturing course online covers a wide range of topics related to the principles, processes, and practices involved in manufacturing. Some common areas of focus may include Introduction to Manufacturing, examining manufacturing processes, technologies, and their significance in various industries. Manufacturing Systems, studying different types of manufacturing systems, including job shop, batch production, assembly line, and continuous production, along with their advantages and limitations. Production planning and control. Understanding the principles of production planning, scheduling, inventory management, and resource allocation to optimize production efficiency. Quality control and assurance. Exploring techniques and methods for quality control, inspection, statistical process control, and quality assurance in manufacturing processes. Lean manufacturing, highlighting lean principles such as waste reduction, continuous improvement, value stream mapping, and just-in-time production for achieving operational excellence. Manufacturing automation. Looking at automation technologies, including robotics, computer numerical control, CNC, programmable logic controllers, PLC, and their roles in improving manufacturing efficiency and productivity of materials and manufacturing processes. Learning about the different materials used in manufacturing, such as metals, polymers, and composites, and an understanding of manufacturing processes like machining, casting, forming, and joining. Supply chain management, mastering supply chain concepts, logistics, procurement, supplier management, and coordination to ensure efficient material flow and on-time delivery in manufacturing operations. Sustainable manufacturing. Emphasizing sustainable manufacturing practices, eco-design principles, energy-efficient manufacturing, waste reduction, and environmental impact mitigation in the manufacturing industry. Emerging technologies in manufacturing. Focusing on emerging trends and technologies like additive manufacturing, 3D printing, the Internet of Things (IO), digital manufacturing, and advanced analytics, shaping the future of the manufacturing sector. There are many manufacturing jobs available across various sectors. Here are some examples of roles related to manufacturing. Production supervisor, overseeing day-to-day operations on the production floor, managing personnel, coordinating schedules, and ensuring production targets are met efficiently and safely. Manufacturing engineer, developing and improving manufacturing processes, optimizing production efficiency, conducting process validations, and collaborating with cross-sectional teams to drive continuous improvement. Quality control inspector, inspecting and testing products to ensure they meet quality standards, identifying defects or deviations, and implementing corrective actions to maintain product quality and compliance. Others caveat. Supply chain manager, managing the flow of materials, coordinating with suppliers, overseeing inventory management, and optimizing logistics to ensure timely production and delivery of goods. CNC machinist, operating computer numerical control (CNC) machines, programming machine instructions, setting up tools, and producing precision components based on technical specifications. Footnote 14. Industrial designer, creating product designs, conceptualizing prototypes, collaborating with engineering and production teams, and considering aesthetics, functionality, and maneuverability. Lean manufacturing specialist, implementing lean principles and methodologies to optimize processes, eliminate waste, and improve overall efficiency in manufacturing operations. Maintenance technician, performing routine maintenance, troubleshooting equipment issues, conducting repairs, and ensuring smooth operation of machinery and production systems. Automation engineer, designing, programming, and maintaining automated manufacturing systems, including robotic systems, to streamline production processes and increase efficiency. Materials planner, managing the procurement and inventory of materials, coordinating with suppliers, forecasting demand, and ensuring availability of materials for production. What you will learn. A new perspective for design and operational decision-making at all levels of manufacturing, in the context of volume manufacturing, where rate, quality, cost, and flexibility are the key metrics. How to operate and control unit processes to ensure maximum quality using basic and advanced statistical and feedback control methods. How to design and operate systems of processes with optimal capacity, resilience, and inventory. How to design and operate optimal supply chain systems. The financial underpinnings of a manufacturing enterprise, including new ventures. Mastering advanced Odoo accounting and inventory management. Unlock the full potential of Odoo with our comprehensive guide to advanced accounting and inventory management. In this course, we delve into the intricate features of Odoo, providing step-by-step instructions on how to optimize your accounting processes and streamline inventory management. Whether you are a seasoned user or new to Odoo, this course will equip you with the knowledge to enhance your business operations. Join us as we explore advanced techniques, best practices, and tips to ensure your financial and inventory systems are efficient and effective. Designed to meet the needs of accounting professionals and business leaders, our Odoo accounting training guides you in optimizing and automating your accounting processes through the expertise of our specialized trainers. Odoo Administration, Key Modules for Business Operations Training Course. Odoo is an all-in-one management software that includes a suite of business applications. This course focuses on the project planning, sales accounting, analytics accounting plan, employee contact and settings modules to equip administrators with the skills needed to manage and optimize these modules effectively. Odoo Accounting is a solution that streamlines financial management by centralizing all your accounting data within a single system. Its main strength lies in automation, allowing you to track your finances in real time without manual data entry. With seamless integration across various modules, sales, purchases, inventory, etc., Odoo ensures a smooth and consistent workflow, minimizing errors and improving data accuracy. You also get features tailored to your needs, such as invoice management, payments, tax reporting, and more. These tasks are fully automated, saving you time and enabling you to focus on growing your business. The intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for those with little accounting experience. With Odoo Accounting, sales and invoicing management becomes fully automated. As soon as a sale is recorded in the Sales app, an invoice is automatically generated in the accounting module, removing the need for manual data entry. This streamlines operations while minimizing the risk of errors. You can track each invoice's status in real time, whether sent, viewed, paid, or overdue. Odoo also lets you set up automatic reminders for late payments, helping you maintain healthy cash flow effortlessly. This integrated tracking system gives you clear visibility into your receivables and helps you optimize your financial management. Odoo simplifies purchasing and vendor management. When an order is placed, the supplier invoice can be automatically matched with the purchase order and the goods receipt. This integration ensures that you only pay what is due while verifying data accuracy. Our training topics: configuration of the accounting application, setting up and managing the analytics accounting plan, tracking expenses, revenues, and budgets, generating financial reports and compliance documentation, administration of taxes and currencies, management of customer and supplier payments, analytical and budget tracking, configuration of the chart of accounts. Review of Odoo Accounting Basics. Overview of Odoo version 16 accounting module. Setting up a new company and configuring the chart of accounts. Invoices, bills, and payments. Introduction to accounts payable and receivable management in Odoo. Advanced configuration of accounts payable and receivable. Automating follow-ups and payment matching. configuring vendor and customer portals for improved collaboration, leveraging AI features for invoice recognition and reconciliation, setting up a complex vendor payment structure, in-depth with Odoo's reporting tools, customizing financial reports for internal and external use, advanced use of Odoo's pivot and graph views for reporting, setting up dashboard reports for real-time financial analysis, managing taxes and budgets, configuring and managing multiple tax rates and jurisdictions, setting up budgetary positions and monitoring budget performance, advanced budgetary controls and reporting, implementing a budget management system, supplier management, administration of supplier invoices, payment management, advanced configuration of the supplier dashboard, customer management, administration of customer invoices and refunds, configuration of customer accounts, monitoring of collections, targeted training. We design our Odoo training sessions based on your industry, commerce, manufacturing, services, etc., and your user profile, accountant, manager, etc. This customized approach ensures that the training meets your specific requirements and those of your team. Expertise of our trainers. Our team of trainers, specialists in Odoo accounting, has comprehensive knowledge of all functional applications of Odoo and their interactions with other modules, CRM, e-commerce, inventory management, etc. This broad expertise enhances your learning experience and enables you to master the tool in its entirety. Thank you. We appreciate your attention and interest.
The final stage of the Edvia Academy journey brings together two essential professional capabilities. Discover how to build and manage a successful e-commerce platform, then strengthen your ability to apply financial management principles in project environments. This is where digital business, financial planning, and management decision-making come together. Continue watching to complete the 8-course professional learning map.
Hello, dear classmates. Hello and welcome to our course, Becoming an E-commerce Platform Master Certification course. Convert more customers, grow more revenue, e-commerce marketing that works. The industry's most comprehensive e-commerce platform expert certification for the modern marketer. Becoming an e-commerce platform master certification course. Turn products into profit, browsers into buyers, and past purchasers into lifelong customers by copying this proven marketing method developed by the top e-com mavericks in the game today. Get an idea for a product that you'd like to sell online? In this course, instructor Skill Voyage Academy covers what you need to know to transform your idea into a full-fledged online store. Details several different e-commerce business models, as well as how to choose the one that's right for you. Explains how to select a target industry or niche area for your business. Define the type of customer you're targeting by creating a persona, and select and validate your product idea, how you will benefit. After helping you figure out what you're selling and who you're selling to, delves into the practicalities of getting your product on the market. Shares how to register for permits, develop your brand, and sell your product either in your own online store or in marketplaces. Also shares tips for attracting customers, fulfilling orders, and managing your finances as the sales start rolling in. Understanding of e-commerce business models and market trends needed to identify new opportunities and potential areas for growth in the industry, knowledge of website design principles and functionality to create effective and user-friendly e-commerce websites that drive traffic, increase conversions, and generate revenue. Mastery of digital marketing strategies to attract and retain customers, increase brand awareness and loyalty, and drive sales. Understanding payment processing options and security to ensure the safety and integrity of e-commerce transactions and protect customers' financial information. Expertise in logistics and supply chain management can provide optimize fulfillment, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Practical experience through hands-on projects and case studies can help you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world situations and build a portfolio of work that showcases your skills and expertise. About this class, starting an online business is a great way to spark your entrepreneurship journey and build up passive income. But where to begin? Join BigCommerce's Skill Voyage Academy for this one-hour class where you'll dive into all the essentials and explore how to identify marketable products, create a store, and build a successful marketing strategy to drive traffic and sales. Skill Voyage Academy breaks down the process of getting started into a manageable step-by-step process that you can easily follow. You'll all learn how to choose the right platform by finding your product niche, how to build BigCommerce marketing strategy for integrated campaigns, advanced strategies for improving business operations in e-commerce, bulletproof tips to drive traffic to your Shopify store, designing high impact marketing websites with Wix. Best practices and tips. Create a Wix dropshipping website built for success. Advanced strategies for WooCommerce optimization. How to choose a multi-vendor e-commerce platform. Optimize product and category pages to rank at the top of search results. Build an SEO strategy that attracts high-intent buyers, not just traffic. 6 technical SEO issues that hurt rankings and conversions. Utilize content and link building tactics specifically for e-commerce. Measure and improve SEO performance to maximize revenue. Whether you've got a side hustle you want to turn into a full-time gig, or have been looking for a way to break out of the 9-5 grind and work for yourself, this is the place to start. By the end of the class, you'll have the foundation you need to set yourself up for long-lasting success and a toolbox of tips that you can constantly draw from as you continue through your journey. Get more e-commerce sales without increasing ad spend. This is the most in-depth e-commerce marketing training available, built for marketers who want to scale acquisition, improve retention, and increase customer lifetime value. Here you will find designed full funnel e-commerce strategies that convert and retain, optimize paid and organic channels for scalable performance, use customer behavior and data to shape campaigns that drive real impact, align brand, content, and performance to fuel long-term growth. Apply proven e-commerce frameworks used by high-growth brands. Apply proven e-commerce frameworks used by high-growth brands. What you will learn: e-commerce business models, advantages and disadvantages, e-commerce website design principles, features and functionality, e-commerce website platforms, software and web development tools, digital marketing strategies, including social media, SEO, PPC and email marketing, payment processing options, gateways, fraud prevention and security, logistics and supply chain management for e-commerce fulfillment, inventory, shipping and returns, customer service best practices and customer loyalty, analytics tools, sales metrics, customer engagement metrics, and CRO, practical experience through hands-on projects and case studies. Thanks for watching, and get this specialized course now.
You have now explored all 8 courses in the Edvia Academy Professional Learning Map. For a limited time, enroll in Accounting and Business Administration, Advanced Certificate for only $14.99, then follow the instructions in the video description to receive complimentary access to the other 7 courses. Strengthen your accounting, operations, digital business, and management skills. Begin your next professional chapter with Edvia Academy.